Welcome to the Rory Post Beam home, a stunning two-story custom residence blending timeless craftsmanship with modern comfort. This 3,232 square foot beauty features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a total constructed area of 4,162 square feet, including a spacious 568 square foot garage and 362 square foot covered porch. Designed in the classic post and beam style, you'll notice the exposed wooden beams and posts throughout, creating an open, airy feel that connects you to nature. Let's start our tour from the front. As we step through the welcoming front door, you're greeted by the warmth of natural wood and large windows that flood the space with light. The post and beam construction allows for expansive, vaulted ceilings that make every room feel grand yet cozy. First up is the great room on the main floor, the heart of the home. Spanning a generous portion of the 1,616 square foot main level, this open concept space showcases beautiful exposed Douglas fir beams and posts, handcrafted for durability and aesthetic appeal. Imagine gathering here with family around the stone fireplace, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic views of the outdoors. The high ceilings enhance the sense of space, perfect for entertaining or relaxing after a long day. Flowing seamlessly from the great room is the dining area. This elegant space is ideal for hosting dinners, with room for a large table under those signature post and beam elements. Natural light pours in, highlighting the rich wood tones and creating a warm ambiance. It's designed for both formal meals and casual gatherings, with easy access to the kitchen. Though not shown here, it's equipped with modern appliances and ample counter space typical of post and beam layouts. Now, let's head to the principal bedroom, a serene retreat on the main floor. This spacious suite features vaulted ceilings with exposed beams, adding rustic charm. King-sized bed potential here, with large windows framing outdoor views for a peaceful wake-up. Custom built-ins and walk-in closets provide plenty of storage, all while maintaining the home's natural timber-framed aesthetic. Attached is the luxurious principal ensuite bathroom. Indulge in the spa-like atmosphere with a double vanity, soaking tub, and walk-in shower, all accented by sleek fixtures and natural stone. The post and beam style extends here with wooden accents that blend seamlessly with modern amenities, offering privacy and relaxation. Next door is the dedicated office, perfect for remote work or a quiet study. Exposed beams overhead create an inspiring environment with built-in bookshelves and large windows for natural light. This versatile space could double as a den, keeping productivity high in a comfortable setting. Continuing on the main floor, we have bedroom 2, a cozy guest or family room with ample space for a queen bed. The post and beam construction ensures high ceilings and a bright, airy feel with easy access to shared spaces. Serving this area is a well-appointed bathroom, complete with modern fixtures, a shower tub combo, and plenty of storage. Clean lines and natural materials make it functional and stylish. Don't overlook the practical laundry/mudroom, your entry from the garage or outdoors. With built-in benches, hooks, and cubbies, it's designed to keep things organized. The 568 square foot garage beyond offers secure parking and workshop potential, all integrated into the home's robust post and beam frame. Now, let's step outside to the 362 square foot covered porch. This expansive outdoor living area is sheltered by the home's timber structure, ideal for alfresco dining or lounging. Enjoy the fresh air while protected from the elements, with views of the surrounding landscape. Heading downstairs to the 1,616 square foot lower level, we enter the family room. This versatile space is perfect for movie nights or game days, with exposed beams adding character. Large windows or walkout doors bring in light, making it feel like an extension of the main living areas. Adjacent is the library, a book lover's dream. Custom shelving lines the walls under the post and beam ceiling, creating a cozy nook for reading or quiet reflection. It's a peaceful retreat within the home. Bedroom 3 offers comfortable accommodation with the same high-quality finishes, including timber accents and natural light. Likewise, bedroom 4 provides another spacious sleeping area, ideal for guests or family members, with easy access to the lower-level amenities. Completing the lower floor is another full bathroom, equipped with contemporary features for convenience and style. As we wrap up inside, let's admire the evening back view. The home's post and beam design shines under soft lighting, emphasizing the sturdy timbers and harmonious blend with nature. Out back, the rear fire pit invites gatherings under the stars. Surround yourself with friends around the warm flame.